In the previous session, we have seen what are the different types of consultants, be it functional or technical consultants. So what is their role once you get a project? What are the different types of projects you get a chance to work in the area of SAP? So types of projects in SAP. What are the different types of projects? So like any other software, SAP has also this doing everything from scratch. We have Greenfield implementation project. For example, you bought a new SAP software. Okay, your organization was not using SAP software in the past. Right now, you wanted to use it for your organization. You wanted to activate this software for your particular organization. Such kind of projects are called implementation projects. These implementation projects are also called as greenfield projects. Okay, so these are nothing but greenfield projects where everything is done from scratch. Everything in SAP is done from scratch. Like you bought the product and you are going to activate it. This is part of your implementation project. One of the examples, suppose a particular big, very group company, like any, you can take any big MNC company, they have bought SAP software. Now, in the past, they were using some other applications, third-party applications, like maybe some Oracle, or they might be using some other software or Microsoft Dynamics, which are some examples of the ERPs available in the market. If they were using those ERPs and now they are willing to migrate to SAP. So such kind of fresh projects are called implementation projects where we do everything from scratch. They might be using any Tally, QuickBooks, anything. So basically, this project is used for conversion from non-SAP systems to SAP systems. So you are implementing the entire process of non-SAP system to SAP in this particular type of projects. Next project is called support project. So most of the companies you always end up getting the support project roles. Why? Because all the companies they will buy software only once. But once they bought the software, you should keep maintaining it for lifetime, right? So what is this maintenance? Why I need to do maintenance? For example, you bought a vehicle. We'll take the same example of the car. You bought a vehicle. It requires regular maintenance and services to be done. If it is not done, you can't meet the day-to-day requirements. In similar way, SAP is a business software. It is designed in such a way to meet all the local requirements, local rules and regulations. In each and every country, there are different rules and regulations that are being uh, implemented. So, for example, in the case of India, you have a taxation something related to GST. If you take China, you have golden tax system, GTS. If you take Italy, you have GSAID system. Each and every country has its own taxation policy, and you have to report all your financial statements to that particular country in their respective legal requirements. Now, to meet this, and these are not constant, the governments keep changing, the laws keep changing, the legal framework will keep changing, the taxation rates will keep changing, and the business style, how you do the business style day to day, what happens is, suppose, for example, you built a car. Over a period of time, you found that if you add some extra additional feature to the car, it might run better. Same way you bought a home. Upon some minor furniture enhancements or your interior enhancements, you can make it more comfortable. Same way, your SAP system also, you can design and customize it according to your organization requirement, and you can do some small projects which are not very time taking, but comparatively very small projects. Such kind of activities are called maintenance activities. You need regular maintenance, like how a car requires or a home requires. Same way, a software also requires regular maintenance. There will be bugs. There will be new areas of activations, and then system will not be cool enough at that time. It will resist. You have to just fix those issues. So regular day in and out maintenance, and sometimes business end users who are going to use the SAP system in their day-to-day activities, be it for invoicing, billing, payments, anything. Whenever they are using the SAP system, if there is any glitches, they immediately pick up a phone and they will dial the support company who is going to assist it. So what happens is, in the market, there are different companies. For example, you as a company, you bought an SAP software. You bought an SAP software. So who bought this software? This software is, uh, let us say SAP software, you purchased it from SAP company, and this is one car manufacturing company. You have a car manufacturing company, they bought the SAP software. Okay. Now they have, where did they buy it from? They bought it from SAP company. They have two options. Either they can go to this guy, the car manufacturing company bought SAP software from SAP company. So here you have your SAP company. So you bought the software from them, right? Now, the software doesn't know anything. What are your day-to-day business requirements, or what are your day-to-day activities, or how to use it for your organization? It knows nothing. You need, what is required? Setup is required. Who does this? Who does this setup? That is a big question. Who will do the setup? Your consultant will do the setup. Consultants will do the setup. Both functional and technical consultants sit together, they will do the setup. But this consultants, where will we get that from? You can directly get it from SAP company itself in the support services provided by SAP, but those are very costly. The support services provided by SAP will be costly. So what they will do? This support services provided by SAP company are very costly. What you will do? You will reach out to third party vendors, third party software service providers, third party software service providers. Who are those third party software service providers? Companies like IBM, you have Accenture, you have Capgemini. I'm writing, and then here you will have Infosys, you have TCS, you have Wipro. So these are all some world-renowned software service providers. There are many more software service providers, big and small. You will see some thousands and lakhs of companies are there across the world who is providing the software services. Now, as a car manufacturing company, if I take the direct support from SAP, it is costly. It is costly. It is a costlier option. So what I will do? Instead of that, I will choose my vendor from one among these. Choose my vendor for software support from one among the one among the services companies. Okay. So these companies will help me in implementing my project. What they will do, they will have a team who will be assisting us. Okay. So they will form a team of consultants, and they will discuss the business requirements, and they will take the inputs from all the business, and they will activate the software. This is normally how a software project is executed.